Hey, what's up, friends and fam of YouTube? Welcome to another epi of Bolts and Boost. I wasn't gonna do this video today, but I've gotten so much feedback from the vet community that I just became a part of. They're actually one of the best communities, honestly, that I've been a part of, and I'm not really sure why, but very, very good group of guys, and I like giving back. So today's a very simple video. Like I said, I wasn't even gonna do it, but I thought, hey, why not? Because when I put my cold air nostrils on the vet, I thought really nothing of it. And then after, sitting on the couch, watching a movie, watching TV, I can't remember what it was, I was thinking, well, they're pretty exposed and there's no seal. So water must just get in there, especially when you wash the thing. And sure enough, I took this thing to the car wash and I just wanted to be normal, like not avoid that area. So I didn't avoid that area, not to get twisted. Washed it, came out, and sure enough, the filters were like, not soaked, but they were pretty wet, pretty damp. So there's a solution to that. Now the solution is putting some weather stripping on there. So I ordered this Corvette specific piece of seal, and it's literally just like a normal seal. And I paid a premium for this. I'm pretty sure I paid like $40 or $50. Yes, my dumb ass paid $40 or $50 for this. You could probably get this at a automotive something or other store for a lot less money. And I advise you to do that. But anyway, I bought this off Amazon. I'll try to put the link in the video. Don't quote me on the price, because when I put it in the video, maybe it's way wrong, but I think I paid around 40 bucks for it. Either way, I paid too much. And the instructions basically say lift the hood, clean that ledge, which I cleaned it. Yeah, it was already clean, but this was way too long, so I just had to cut the edge off. So I'm literally just going to now apply it, take the 3M covering off, or sorry, the covering off for the 3M tape, and stick it on, and I'll show you guys. So if you have a vet, you have a cold air, this is definitely something to think about. I don't plan on driving my car in the rain, but I plan on taking my car on road trips. So rain is kind of inevitable, right? So you got to prepare and ensure that your car is good to go for the whole trip. So let me put this on and I'll tell you how it is. Voila, it's done, and it looks factory. Imagine that, having a weather stripping on your hood. It's kind of weird, honestly, that it didn't come like that from the factory. Maybe it's engineered to do something, but everybody does it. So it turned out flawless, and it looks absolutely factory. Great mod. So this is literally the instructions. Open hood, clean flat horizontal lead just below the front of the hood. Prior to removing backing paper from adhesive, test fit product for position. Remove backing paper, press the seal down on the horizontal ledge, close the front edge of the hood opening. In layman's terms, I think it just means close the hood so it pressurizes and sticks and cures. There is one spot I did a really good job, except for one spot, and it was because I had it placed and then I had to unplace it to, you've probably seen the video, to to take the bottom adhesive cover off. But it doesn't really matter because it's just a seal, right? But I am so OCD about things that I try to make everything perfect. I'm just trying to push it back. The seal's on there real good. So I don't think there's much I can do about that, which is really fine, I think. Or you know what, maybe I can. No, she's on there, guys. I think. I'm gonna put my phone down. I think I can fix it. All right, I fixed it. So this was the edge here that I had to pull up. And it's kind of a good thing I did because it was over the edge and the light would have caught it and I didn't even notice that. So this is where it kind of came out. But other than that, it looks really, well, let's just go on the car here, Josh. It looks really good. So as the instructions say, I will be lowering the hood and letting this dry or adhere. Let's do this. Ready, guys? Shut the hood. Boom. Look at it, just kind of completes the look too. Like now it looks proper. It's weird. They don't have that from factory. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Leave it up to me to make a weather stripping video last 5+ minutes. I hope. That's somewhat worth it, I guess. But yeah, I got touch-up in for it. This is the real AC Delco stuff. I already did a little rock chip. There's barely any rock chips on this thing, and I already touched it up, and it worked primo. And yeah, pretty much going to pack her in and end the video there. This is the best stuff I've used for interiors, by the way. Chemical Guys VRP. I've done the STI, I've done this, I've done the Forester, done the Jag. Everything literally looks brand new and it stays. It's incredible. Highly, highly recommend. Forester is at the shop getting the timing belt done and all that jazz. Here's the radiator in the STI. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm not going to be here this weekend, so I wanted to put a video out for y'all. So I'll make sure to catch up with y'all next week. And until then, I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, if this is your first time stopping by the channel, be sure to check out the channel. There's lots of automotive stuff on the channel. Lots of shenanigans, lots of how-tos. And if you like this sort of stuff, thumbs up and subscribe. All right, everybody. Peace.